just watching the machines come to life.
I think every day's a different day, and all the skills that you learn in manufacturing apply to your everyday life.
Seeing the process from the customers from start to finish, so if I were to supply a crosscut saw to them, you could see them actually start up from a small workshop and expanding their business.
Skill shortage, a lot of older generation are finding it hard to teach the younger generation, so you kind of have to run and catch up without being taught.
I think the hardest thing is the skill gap that's approaching. All of the experienced engineers are approaching their retirement age or have already retired, so you haven't really got anyone there that has been here for years.
I think one of the main concerns would be finding skilled labour. I think the younger generation aren't too interested in this sort of field of work.
I think developing a person's skills overall, not just the business side of things, but their interpersonal skills. Because if you don't invest in your people, if you don't treat them with all the respect they deserve, and just develop them as a person, as a whole person, it's going to lead to a low morale workplace. People aren't going to want to work for you.
Supporting apprenticeship schemes so that young talent can come into the industry and progress their career.
Giving people the experience to help younger people, because it's all well and good with qualification, but the experience is key.